Welcome to JH. Whether you are a musician, a YouTuber, an artist, or a writer, Patreon is a platform designed to support nearly every kind of creator. In this guide, I will walk you through everything you need to understand about using Patreon, especially if you are just starting your journey. Patreon is an incredibly effective tool that helps creators like you generate income from your work by allowing your followers to support you through monthly memberships. Let's jump right in and get your account set up. The first step is to visit patreon.com. When the page loads, you will see a Get Started button located in the top right corner. Go ahead and click that. Joining Patreon is completely free, which is a fantastic benefit. There are no initial sign-up fees or hidden costs to worry about. You won't have to pay anything unless you are actively offering paid subscriptions or memberships. Simply hit the button and choose your preferred sign-up method. You can register using Google, Facebook, Apple, or just your standard email address. For this demonstration, we will use Google to complete the sign-up quickly. After registering, you will be sent directly to your dashboard, which is the central hub for managing your entire presence. If you are a new user, your first task will be to select a username. This is a significant step because it is how your audience will identify and recognize you across the internet. You want to make sure it fits your brand or the style of content you produce. For example, if your name is Alex and you plan to share fitness advice, you might pick something memorable like Alex Fit Tips or Alex's Fitness Journey. Alternatively, you could go with a more distinct name like Fit with Alex or Wellness by Alex to help your brand stand out. If your focus is on creative fields like art or design, think of a name that reflects that passion, such as Art Vibes by Alex or Design Flow Studio. The goal is to choose something relevant to your niche that is also easy for people to remember and search for. Don't worry if this feels like a major decision, as most platforms allow you to update your username later on. Now, looking at your Patreon dashboard, you will notice several key sections. First is your page, which is the digital space where your audience discovers your work and learns about what you offer. You can make this space uniquely yours by uploading a profile picture, a cover banner, and writing a personalized bio that explains what you create and why people should join your community. For instance, an artist might display a piece of their work in the banner and include a short statement like creating vibrant illustrations that bring stories to life. Next is the Create section. This is your creative hub where you produce and share exclusive content for your supporters. Whether you are posting behind-the-scenes videos, blog updates, artwork, polls, or special tutorials, this button allows you to upload and organize everything. A musician might use this to share demo tracks or provide early access to new songs, while a writer could post chapters from their latest book to get feedback. Finally, there is the Share a Link option. This is the key that connects people to your page. It is the URL you will promote on social media, in emails, or even on business cards. You can tailor your outreach. A podcaster might say, "Want to hear exclusive interviews? Join me on Patreon through this link," while a fitness trainer could share, "Get my weekly workout plans here." By customizing your message, you ensure your audience knows exactly what they will gain by visiting. Let's talk about making your Patreon page truly reflect your brand. Once you sign up, your page starts as a blank canvas, but with a few adjustments, it will showcase your creativity. Your profile picture is the face of your page and the first thing people notice. Podcasters should consider using their show logo. Musicians might use an album cover or a professional headshot, and visual artists can highlight a signature piece of their work. Choose something that makes your page instantly recognizable. Your header banner acts like a digital billboard at the top of your page. Use it to set the mood. A travel blogger might use a stunning landscape photo, while a gamer could feature fan art or a screenshot from a favorite game. This is your chance to make a bold first impression. Your page name is also vital. If you are a comedian, it could be your stage name or something quirky like Laughs with Alex. A fitness coach might prefer a professional yet inviting title like Strong with Alex. Keep it clear, catchy, and easy to remember. After setting up your visuals, it is time to develop your membership tiers. This is one of the most critical parts of your page because these are the options your followers will choose from when deciding how to support you. Patreon offers the flexibility to create tiers that cater to different levels of support. Think of these as unique packages with various perks. Start by clicking the button to create a new tier. You will be asked to name each one. Choose something engaging and relevant. An author might use Book Lover for a basic tier or Inner Circle Reader for a premium one. A fitness coach could go with Fitness Buddy or Ultimate Challenge. Next, decide on a subscription price. A starting tier could be $3 to remain affordable, while a top-tier option might be $30 or more for fans seeking exclusive access. For example, a musician might set a $10 tier for early song releases and a $50 tier for virtual jam sessions. Be sure to highlight the perks for each level. Basic tiers might include early access or shoutouts, while higher tiers could offer live Q&A sessions, personalized messages, or signed merchandise. A chef could offer recipes at the basic level and live cooking classes for premium members. Clearly outlining these rewards in detail makes followers more likely to subscribe because they know exactly what they are receiving. Now that your tiers are ready, let's explore the exclusive content you can provide. The beauty of Patreon is its flexibility. You can offer behind-the-scenes glimpses, early releases, or interactive polls. Click the Create button to add a post, where you can upload text, photos, videos, or share links to downloadable files. A visual artist might post a time-lapse of their creative process for top-tier patrons, while a podcaster could share ad-free episodes. You decide which tiers get access to specific posts. For instance, you could share a special recipe or a bonus workout video only with your premium subscribers. If you are a photographer, offer sneak peeks of your newest shoot to a mid-level tier while reserving high-resolution downloads for the top tier. Engaging with your patrons through polls is also a great idea. An author might let patrons decide a character's fate, or a filmmaker might let fans vote on a new concept. This builds community and helps you tailor content to your audience's preferences. Community engagement is essential. Respond to comments on your posts to spark conversations and build a stronger bond. You can also offer personalized communication through direct messages, which could be a simple thank you or a way to deliver custom perks like feedback on a fan's work. If you are an educator, host polls exclusive to paying members. A video creator might ask patrons to choose the next filming location or video topic. Patreon is more than a content hub. It is a platform to cultivate a thriving community of supporters who feel deeply connected to your journey. Make them feel valued by offering the inside track on your creative process. Once everything is established, focus on maintaining your community and monitoring your success. Patreon provides many tools to help you track earnings and grow your page effectively. The analytics dashboard gives you detailed insights into your performance. You can track total earnings, the number of patrons, and see which posts or rewards are most popular. If a fitness coach notices that workout plans are performing best, they can focus on creating more of that content. These insights help you make strategic decisions to attract and retain patrons. Stay connected through built-in messaging tools to send updates or automated thank you notes. You can also offer tier-specific rewards like bonus content or personalized shoutouts. A podcaster might record a thank you for VIPs. A writer could send signed digital ebooks to premium members, and a musician might host an exclusive Q&A. Reward loyalty by setting milestones or goals that patrons can help you reach. Patreon is about building relationships. Use polls, comment threads, and live chats to engage directly. By using these tools, you are cultivating a supportive community invested in your work. Keep monitoring your analytics, interacting with fans, and offering unique rewards to keep them coming back. Finally, here are some extra tips. Post regularly to keep patrons excited. If you disappear for too long, they might lose interest, so consistency is key. Keep them in the loop with updates about your life and work. Don't forget to share your Patreon link on YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, and your email list. The more exposure you get, the more likely you are to gain new supporters. Most importantly, ensure your content is valuable. Whether it is exclusive footage, one-on-one chats, or early access, make it something people cannot get anywhere else. That is all for today's Patreon tutorial.